Good evening, travelers. I'm at Zurich airport right now and I'm gonna fly to the Maldives tonight. Edelweiss Air will take me to Malé, onboard the Airbus A330-300. Since my flight is part of a travel package, I can only estimate the approximate price. However, on Swiss.com it costs around 500 euros. Although I have checked in online, I had to take the queue for those who haven't checked in online yet. This was a bit annoying, but not a big problem. The check-in area at Zurich airport is very modern and well designed. I personally love this airport because everything's in a good shape, and although the airport is very big, it doesn't take a long time to get to most of the gates. Another great thing about Zurich airport is that you get free entrance to the visitors deck if you have a valid boarding pass of this day. Now I will head straight to my gate because boarding will start in about 45 minutes, and my gate is one of the E-gates. To get to Gates E, you have to go by train inside the airport. I arrived at my gate and they already began with the boarding procedure. The cabin of this Airbus A330 is in a 222 and 221 configuration in business class and 242 in economy class. I personally don't really like it. It looks a bit old and the monitors are very small. But I have to say that the boarding music was very nice. The flight was fully booked and the cabin was packed.
Ganz herzlich willkommen an Bord Airbus A330 in Richtung Maldives. Wir werden hier in Kürze bereit sein, hoffentlich auch, dass Sie sich bereits wohlfühlen bei uns an Bord. Wir wünschen allen einen ganz angenehmen Flug. Bonsoir mesdames et messieurs, votre commandant de bord Andy-Fly Coupal, ensemble avec toute l'équipage et aussi mon collègue Monsieur Daniel Stuckenholz, je vous souhaite la bienvenue à bord de Airbus A330 direction Maldives.
The exits. For safety reasons, please make sure that mobile phones and other wireless transmitting devices are either set to flight mode or completely switched off for takeoff and landing. Larger items such as laptops must be stowed away safely during taxiing, takeoff and landing. Smaller items such as tablets and mobile phones must be safely secured in the passenger's hand or stowed away. Please inform the cabin crew immediately if your electronic device gets damaged or produces heat or smoke. If you should lose your electronic device in your seat, do not move the seat and inform the cabin crew immediately. For further regulations concerning the use of electronic devices on board, we ask you to consult the in-flight magazine in your seat pocket. Please fasten your seatbelt now, as we are taking off.
Dinner was served about 1 hour after departure. And as it was very dark in the cabin, I only captured 2 shots of dinner and the breakfast, but overall it tasted very good. I can't show you so much on this plane. There was no power outlet and the seat itself was very unspectacular as well. The seat pocket contained boring stuff and the legroom was okay. The cabin crew distributed bags to dispose your waste on the Maldives and offered to take them to Zurich on the return flight for free.
Avec le commandant de bord allumant la consigne, les attaches vos ceintures, l'utilisation des toilettes ne sera plus permise. Transport suisse afin qu'il soit détruit correctement. Nous vous remercions d'avance pour votre soutien. Ladies and gentlemen.
Soon we started with our descent into Malé.
Meine Damen und Herren, liebe Kinder, Edelweiss heißt Sie auf den Malediven herzlich willkommen. Wir bitten Sie nach so lange angeschnallt sitzen zu bleiben, bis die entsprechende Anzeige ausgeschaltet ist und dass wir unsere endgültige Parkposition erreicht haben. Bitte öffnen Sie die Gepäckablagen vorsichtig, da Gegenstände herausfallen könnten. Es war uns ein großes Vergnügen, Sie heute Abend an Bord zu haben und wir hoffen, Sie fühlen sich wohl bei uns. Im Namen von Kapitän Frei und seiner Besatzung wünsche ich Ihnen noch wunschende Weihnachten hier in den Malediven oder eine gute und sichere Weiterreise. Besten Dank und auf Wiedersehen miteinander.
My flight on Edelweiss was okay. There are a few things that could be improved, but the crew was friendly and the atmosphere on board was good. I will pass the passport control now. I hope you enjoyed watching. See you next time.